Cashier allegedly uses customer's debit card to buy food. Cashier allegedly uses customer's debit card to buy food. A cashier at a fast food establishment has been accused of stealing a customer's debit card and purchasing a meal. The cashier pleaded not guilty to breaches under the Cybercrimes Act and Larceny Act when she appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court yesterday. She is charged with simple larceny and unauthorized access to computer data. Allegations are that on March 14, 2021, the complainant went to the fast food restaurant in Kingston where he made a $850 purchase using his debit card. After completing the meal, he searched his pockets and realized that his card was missing and inquired of the cashier if she had it, which she denied. The complainant retraced his steps to the restroom where he found his partially damaged debit card on the face basin. 3 days later, the complainant visited the bank to have his card replaced and requested a printout of the transactions. However, the complainant noticed a purchase valued at $1,632 was made at the same restaurant. An investigation commenced and the cashier was identified through video footage. She is to return to court on June 30 when the matter is set to be mentioned.